ko. So, among mangga, amo ni siya ginasagulag kuya. We have non-spicy and spicy. So, our mangga have two sizes. We have the bucket and the normal size.
Pila?
This one is only 50 pesos. Libre na ang uyap and your choice kung sa yung gusto mong halang ba or kanang gusto mo asin lang, suka. We also have the bucket size for only 150. So grabe kayo siya kasulit. We also have juices. We have 4 variants. We have mango, guyabano, avocado, and cantaloupe. So ang kaning gagmay, it is only 65 pesos. And we also have kaning dagko, 170 pesos. So that is our frozen kitchen products. So here below, so dini sa Upos, in collaboration ni sa Frozen Kitchen. So here we have our peanuts, garlic coated peanuts. This is only for 55 pesos. We also have here some chili flakes. Premium quality ni siya. It is only for 75 pesos. We also have laing. So if you're wondering unsa ang laing, mura na sila gata bitaw. Pwede siya sudanon or whatsoever. So kani only for 115 pesos. So below, same products lang gihapon below. And that's all.